Hey guys, today we have a 2011 BMW 528i. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light for this vehicle. So first of all, we got to put the vehicle into the on position. So to do that, for this model, we're going to press the button right here, start stop button, just one time. That'll illuminate all these lights here. And then you should be able to see the service due right there. Now, very important, you do not want to have anything above the red line here. If you do have something showing on here, all you got to do is press this button right here, the BZ button. Go ahead and press it, and then you'll scroll through the menu here until there's nothing on top of the line, just like that. Okay, so the next step, now that we have that ready, we're gonna go ahead and hold this button down and just hold it for a few seconds. Right there, you see the engine oil, 600 miles. It's asking if you want to reset it. Go ahead and hold it down one more time. It's asking if you want to reset it, because there's a question mark now. And go ahead and hold it one more time. And now it starts the reset process. It's counting down. And there we are. So the next service is in 14,000 miles, saying it's reset successful. Now you do have some other service lights that might pop up for like brakes or other stuff that it might need, like an inspection. So if you want to look at those lights, you can go ahead and hold that button down one more time, and we can go ahead and press the button here just to scroll through the menu. Now everything is looking okay, nothing in red, so we're good. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time. Take care.